David won. David, listen. Listen to me. David, listen. No. You won't understand the reasons, but
Is it a game? When will you come back for me?
I'm not, David. You'll have to be here by yourself.
Alone?
With Candy.
No. No, Mommy, please, no. Please, no.
David, I'm gonna...
Mommy, no. I'm sorry I broke myself. I'm sorry I hair off. And I'm sorry I hurt you.
No, I have to go. I have to go. Stop it! Sorry. Stop it.
Mommy, don't. Mommy, if Pinocchio became a real boy and I become a real boy, can I come home?
That's just a story.
It's a story. Tell us what happens.
Stories are not real.
Mommy, it's real.
Now listen. Look. Take this. Don't let anyone see how much it is, alright? Now look. Don't look at me! Look! Don't go that way, alright? Go anywhere but that way or they'll catch you. Don't ever let them catch you. Listen, stay away from flesh fairs. Away from there are lots of people. Stay away from all people. Only others like you. Only Mecca are safe. Okay, go.
Why do you want to leave me? Why do you want to leave me? I'm sorry I'm not real. If you let me, I'll be so real for you.
Don't. David.